Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a warning video. If you are one of those that think there's nothing there in pirating software and getting cracks to actually have free games and free software instead of paying for it, a study from today is actually showing that there's a really high risk of you getting a malware with your crack. In fact, the majority of them have a malware that actually specializes in stealing your social media accounts, Facebook, or even everything about Facebook, Google, Microsoft accounts, and so on, without you even noticing. And of course, using them to spread malware or try to send phishing scam. So that people get, bitten and will, of course, lose money. So, it's interesting because when you look at these, when you look at people that actually do this, they're almost proud that they're doing it. And, stealing is stealing. And that's the first thing you need to know. And there's nothing cool in doing so. But not just that. Now you're actually a very high risk of actually having your own accounts and taken over. And if you think, because usually these are the kind of people that are really selfish and thinking, well, I don't care, I'll just create a new Facebook, they forget that everything that you have in accounts is linked to friends, to family that can get bitten, lose money, get ransomware, malware. It's really not very cool. And today's warning is actually a very big warning. They say that a big majority also don't even see that they have been bitten, because these types of cracks and hackers that actually send those cracks with actually malware in it, most of the antiviruses, once again, they say it, most of the antiviruses don't even see it. That's also something that is very, very prevalent of people that steal software, is they think their antivirus is going to protect them. In reality, they're not being protected. They say that the majority of antivirus don't even see that the cracks contain some form of malware in it. So it's a big warning. If you know somebody that does that, let them know. And you know what? If you've been bitten by ransomware, by something, and it costs you money because of somebody that did that, you should actually let them know that they should pay for it and actually give you the money that it costs you to have your computer back and up and running. Maybe that would change mentalities over time. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.